If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves tactile, earthy, artist-grade fabrics, this is where inspiration and texture meet. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, and today I'm introducing a Curation bundle. Foundation bundles from my previous videos are your base. Curation bundles are the soul, statement fabrics, and sensory richness that define your voice. Today's bundle features several colors of textured chenille pieces. These plush fabric cuts will make a great addition to your fabric stash. Our first piece, the color is a russet red. That's a really warm red. It has a very good amount of texture, and you can see in the movement it's not too stiff, and there's a very light coating on the back. The second piece is a light sage color, and you can see some variation in the color in there, light sage to like a yellow green in that weave, and the back is a very light coating. Our next piece, this is a burnt orange color, and you can see quite a bit of texture on the front of that. And on the back, there's actually no coating. Our next piece is a charcoal. Now, if you look closely, you can see that there's kind of like a crosshatch type pattern in that chenille cut. On the back, there is a light coating. And let me look at that. Look at this again, and you can see, you can see the hatch, the crosshatch pattern there. Our next one is a moss color, maybe a sage or moss color, dark sage or moss color that would be. And on the back, there's a very light coating. Okay, still has quite a bit of movement even with that coating. Our next one is kind of like a golden yellow color, a deep yellow color. Still a lot of texture there. Nice movement and no coating on the back. This piece is a rust colored piece. I like this one. I love the color rust. This has a very good texture in that chenille pattern also. Good movement and a very light coating on the back. And for our last piece, we have a beige color. Now this one has a lot of movement. Okay, very flexible piece of fabric. And on the back, we have no coating. Okay, so this whole set is actually part of our Chenille Haven collection. Okay, that's the name of this batch, Chenille Haven. Each Curation bundle feels like a next level up enhancement to our other bundle collections. Try blending with a cut or two from our foundation or play bundles for balance and depth. Links to this week's featured bundle and our other bundle collections can be found in the description below. Be sure to join my VIP list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order. Link in description. I'll showcase a new bundle every Tuesday and provide a sneak peek on upcoming bundles on Thursdays. Thanks for joining this Curation bundle reveal. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media art. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.